Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy today. For this pouring project, I'm going to be using, do a dirty pour. We're going to use Rain-X. My husband actually saw something pop up and saw a video and he's like, oh, have you tried Rain-X? Well, as you may or may not know, some other videos, I've used the treadmill belt lubricant oil, but I haven't tried Rain-X, so let's give it a shot and see what happens. So I had, for my last project, I had some of this really pretty, this royal fuchsia and royal blue left over, so I've added a little bit more to that, and I've also got this metallic rose gold that I wanted to try. So this is the Rain-X, just regular water repellent Rain-X. So I ran down to Woods Ace Hardware earlier today here in Redondo Beach, and they kindly helped me find it. And so we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. I am gonna see if I can. It's got a pretty good little. I only want to do like a couple of drops because, and that was a couple. And a couple. Okay, because I do know with oils, if you get too much, it's gonna come out and stay on top of your project, your paint, your canvas. I'll get it out, and it'll be oily. So that's just not recommended. So you do want to, it's got a pretty strong smell to it. I don't think for sure I'd be using a torch on it, which I don't think I used a torch. I wonder if I used a torch on that. I'd have to look back at my own video. But anyway, point being is this has a pretty strong little smell. Now, I've mixed the paints with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. So I'm going to alternate these with my metallic gold. All right, so we've got that ready. Do have your, have gloves handy and paper towels, and I keep, as I've mentioned, baby wipes. They come in really handy for a quick cleanup on. If you spill or get it on your hands or whatever. I do like using baby wipes for that. So now what am I thinking I want to do? I think we're just gonna flip her over here. See, we've already got some pretty cool cells forming there. I guess my curiosity, I wanted to see if it really formed any, any more spectacular cells than the silicone oil did. Oh, I'm gonna lose that one, but we'll see if we can capture it back. Now it is creating some really cool cells. I can't really say that I would say it would determine that it would make a huge difference as far as the treadmill belt oil that I've been using seem to work pretty cool. One thing I'm seeing that it's doing that I didn't seem to have the same issue with, excuse me y'all, I've had a sore throat and a cough, is it's separating here away from the canvas. So if you're going to do Rain-X, I would definitely suggest priming your canvas either with the gesso or with a primer, because it is wanting to pull away in a few little places there. It did make some pretty cool cells, I will say. There's teeny tiny ones all through here, and then we've got these big ones. They're really cool looking here. So anyway, I think that does look pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know, we'll do one next few videos or whatever, when we'll do like an equal comparison using the treadmill belt oil and just see exactly what we get there as far as does it really make that much of a difference. Anyway, yeah, that looks pretty cool to me. So anyway, guys, have fun with it. Give it a try. This was probably about, let's see, because I bought something else with it that was $2. So this was about $6 or $7. Well, I probably didn't have it that where you can see it, but $6 or $7 to get that little bottle of that. And hey, it's multi-use. You can actually use it on your car and use it in your paintings. But thank you, subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I so appreciate the kind words that you all shared with me on the last video. And I look forward to your comments and your likes and your shares. And thank you for subscribing. And hey, if you hadn't subscribed yet, I hope you'll do that today. Thanks, guys.